Hi, it's Sparrow from Sparrow Dreads Inc. I'm making a new video for the first time in years, like absolute years. So yeah, I'm back in Alberta and I've been doing dreadlocks full time now for 4 years. Anyway, I'm working out of a tattoo shop in Edmonton with the exception of COVID-19, which is making everybody stay home. And here I am, bored as hell. And my customers need help with their dreads and their braid ends, which is why I have this one in. Really, really weird, like you see how loose that is? These are my own dreads. Like, they're doing stuff. Anyway, I am going to show you guys how you can extend the time that you're wearing your fake dreads. This method was originally, as far as I know, created by Desi from Hellcat's Hair. Sorry, the lighting in here sucks. It's an old farmhouse anyway. Yeah, I don't know who originally came up with it. Desi from Hellcat's Hair was the one who showed me about it. And I'm carrying on to show you guys because nobody can do their hair. Well, nobody can come to me to get their hair done because we're all in isolation. Stay home, stay safe, everybody, and healthy. Anyway, where am I? Okay, so you've been wearing your extensions for, I don't know, 2 months, 2.5 months. Or your roots grow really, really fast, so you get this unsightly crap going on here, right? So hopefully, if I can do this right, what you do, and hopefully I have enough here, you twist your hair. Oh, and you need a latch hook, by the way. The latch is this little hooky part here. I love my latch hook. I don't use it with real dreads. I only use it with my fake ones. So now I'm trying to see which side I want to put this on, because I want to create oh shit, what do you call that? A cross section. That's what I'm trying to say. And then you pull the dread through. And if you've done this right, you should have less root. You should. Unless you did it the wrong way, like I did. Yep, I did it the wrong way. Bugger. Okay, we'll try that again. But no, you can always just twist it and do it as many times as it's going to take to shrink up your dread. And you always keep going with the side of the double ender. Close to your scalp. Ah, come on, mirror. Do me some justice here. Oh, I get my hair unhook. But yeah, so I'm trying to feed my dread through the root of my hair. I hope you can see. And I hope I'm not flashing anyone. There we go. So I'm pulling it through. Hopefully this works. Like, it's not a full head that I've got going on here, and it's not really the best. But yeah, it's hard to see because I've got hair here. But it has shrunk up and sunk up a little bit more. I don't know. I'm just trying to help, guys. I think that looks better, actually. I don't even want this thing in, though. Well, maybe I do. I like having that little wisp of hair there. But anyway, so yeah, there's a quick do of trying to sync up, and sorry, not the best demonstration of my own hair because, well, I already have dreads. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'm investigating TikTok now, and TikTok is so much fun. But yeah, definitely follow me on TikTok. Sparrow Dreads Sparrow Dreads Inc. is my Facebook page. Yeah. See you next time.